Hi, my name is Tom, and I'm here to talk about this SleekEZ grooming tool. This is the small version. There are 3 different versions. There's a small, a medium, and a large. This is the small. It's 2.5 inches long, or wide, I guess. And what this is used for, it's not a comb. It's used for actually kind of grooming and removing all the dead hair, kind of taking all that fur and hair off of horses, cats, dogs, depending upon the size of your tool and how you use it. Could you use a small one on a horse? Yeah, but it would probably take a while. We actually just got the smaller one because we have 2 cats and we have a dog, and they all really enjoy this. That's kind of a neat little feature. I want to show you how it works in a second, but let's just kind of go over some of the quick features. One, it is made out of wood. It is kind of all natural here. It's got a little stamp on the front. That's neat and all, but it is wood. I think it's a hardwood. It actually feels pretty good. The actual blade itself, I want you to just kind of see that. It's not a comb. Again, it's just kind of a serrated edge. There's a little more to it. There's a little more of an angle to it. It's very, very small. And it's not, I mean, it's sharp, but it's not, you're not going to cut yourself. It's not like a razor or anything. But that's a stainless steel kind of a razor, kind of a shearing thing. It's not going to hurt you. I wouldn't want to slam my finger on it real hard, but it's not going to hurt you or your animals. It's made for kind of pulling and scraping and kind of grooming out all of that dead fur. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you what it looks like on my little doggy that actually really, really enjoys this. Come here, girl. You want to, you want to get shed? You want to get groomed? Okay, what are you going to do? Sit. Oh, you ready? Oh, you're going to roll over? You're going to give me your tummy? Okay, you ready? Okay, good girl. So all you do, you're going to sit in the sun here, is you just kind of run against it like a comb. That's 3, that's 4, and 5. And I want you to see, it's starting to get, here you go, this fur just coming right off the top. It's just pulling all this extra dead fur off. Now, do combs do this? Yes, to some extent. This works a whole lot better, and she loves it. She is just sitting there in heaven as I go ahead and make a little pillow of fur on her back leg. And you just pull it down. There we go. And every so often you want to go ahead and just clear it off, and then just kind of keep going. And then you can go ahead and make like a little pillow of it right there. So that is one side, about 8, 9, 10 passes. The same is true with cats. It does exactly the same way. Oh, you're gonna shake. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, that's you. And you can see the amount of fur that comes off almost right away. And there's a good shot of the edges. Again, it's not sharp like a razor. It's just serrated, and it pulls the old dead hair out. And both the cats like it, and my dog really loves it. And here's my daughter using it on one of our cats. This cat is a little bit skittish around combs, but he loves this, and he'll just sit and purr. And you can see the fur is already kind of grouping up there only after a couple swipes. Our dog's about 40 pounds, and this is a little bit small for her. It works fine for our cats. We'd probably get the medium one. If I had to do it again, I'd probably get the medium-sized one so that I can kind of work on either the dog or the cats just fine. If you have a horse, my daughter actually rides horses, and we know that some of the stable people there, they all recommend this. That's kind of how my wife found out about it. They were just kind of using this great big, again, this is like a 10-inch block, and she asked what it was. She said, oh, look at this, it's one of those groomers, and she went ahead and found it on Amazon. So there it is. It works very well. I highly recommend it. It's not a comb, but again, it's a groomer for pulling out all that dead fur, and the animals really seem to enjoy it. It does not hurt at all. Yeah, I recommend it.